Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. If you're here in Australia, you know the struggle of rising prices and cost of living, while it seems like the banks have been surprisingly prosperous. In this video, we're going to take a look into how Australia's biggest banks have been able to take advantage of the cost of living crisis that we all know too well, and why the profits they are seeing might in fact be coming to an end. Australian National Bank, ANZ, and National Australia Bank reported impressive profit figures in March, to the detriment of Australian households. The 6-month profits for ANZ was $3.8 billion at 23% increase compared to a year prior, and for NAB, the profit of $4.07 billion was a 17% increase in the same period. They were able to do this by charging customers more for loans and interest rates, whilst holding back increases for depositors. ANZ acknowledged their good fortune in what they called favorable deposit margins from a rising interest rate environment, and NAB made a similar comment referring to the near-term driver of profits of rate hikes. The Reserve Bank of Australia had hiked interest rates 11 times between May of last year and March of this year, bringing rates up to 3.85%. This has obviously been beneficial to the banks, but not so much to households that have been forced to face inflation-fueled price increases for groceries, electricity and other essentials. As the retail bank's profits get higher and higher, so do the concerns of defaults from customers struggling to keep up with the high repayments. 26% of ANZ's customers are on interest rates higher than what they were assessed when granted a loan, so it seems these fears may come to fruition as the banks have nearly reached their peak profitability after the RBA's rate rise cycle has stopped. Indeed, the markets are reflecting these fears, with investors believing the banks may have reached their peak profitability. ANZ and NAB stock prices took a big hit when the profit figures were posted. It looks like these Australian banks, who have been profiting off of their customers' struggle, may soon have to pay the price. Hopefully in the future, they are not able to so easily profit off of their customers' cost of living hardships, and this video is meant to shed some light on the potential that this could happen. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.